Hello everyone. So finally I have installed the Windows you are seeing right now. So I have completely installed. It is not a pirate or something. It is completely activated and it is working fine on my PC. Telling my experience to you. And this is a Windows 11. So what changes I got? Like whenever you will click the right click over here, you will get these types. Before we used to get the refresh option, but we don't get the refresh option now. So we need to click at the show more option, and you have to click here refresh for refreshing. This is the change, and the icons are changes, and you can get this at the center, and you can align this this screen. So it is little bit awesome. I like it much, and the icons are also too much interesting. So today I will tell you how can you install the Windows 11 in your PC. Okay, so these things you can see, you can check yourself, and you can comment down what changes you got and do you like it or not. Please let me know in the comment section. So for that you need to download that Windows 11. First of all, that is an ISO file. So I have given the link in the description. You can check there and click over there and download that ISO file. And you need to download this Rufus, and its link also I have given in the description. You can check there, and you need to download the Rufus. After downloading Rufus, you need to install that. After installing the Rufus, so you have installed finally Rufus, and click as. So these types of the window you will get. Okay, so you need to select here a file, that is where is that. So I have that file in my here PC, and learning and docs. Here you can get that Windows 11 Pro. This is, yes, you can select this and open this file, and it will be selected. And here partition scheme, you have to keep it up GPT and target UEFI and sub, and you have to start that. Okay, after it will take up to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 10 minutes also might be. It is according to your PC processor speed. And I have done that. After doing that, you will get these types of the things. You need to insert that pen drive at first. You will get like this. So after getting this, so actually it is not a Window 11, it is a Window 10, but it is an update of the Window 10. It is not absolutely only named as a Window 11. It is an update of the Windows 10, but it is too much interesting. You can call it as a Window 11, right? So whenever you will do this, these types of the thing you will get in the pen drive. It will bootable, it will make bootable itself. So whether you want to boot from the BIOS, you can do that, or directly you can click here and you can go to the setup. You can click in the setup. So it will do the same thing. It will not install the two windows in your PC. It will install only one window in your PC. It will, meaning is that it will update your Windows 10 to the Window 11, right? So this is exactly done by that. You can directly set up here in the directly into your PC without booting that. So after it will take according to your PC again, like it took me about 40 minutes, maybe around that, and it depends upon your PC. And let me tell you the minimum requirements for this. I have given in the description also there in that link. You can click over there and read there. And let me tell you, my PC is i3 and it is working completely perfect on it. i3 64-bit and 4 GB RAM, and it is actually SSD. It is not a hard drive. So if you have the hard disk, then it should be a 16 GB to 64 GB for minimum. It will work on there, and 4 GB RAM at least, and 64-bit processor, as well as you don't need i3 or i5 or i7 requirement. You can check out there. I have given in a proper way in my website. I have given the link below. You can check there the requirements and its features, different kinds. So what changes you get, what types of the changes you get, and do you like it or not? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so you can go to the description list and click on the link and download there. And I have told you the process. So please install it. And if you have any problem, if you got any error there, so please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. This much for today. If you like the video, please like that. Okay.